Are you ready for the charges to be put to you?
I've always been ready and I'm ready.
Thank you. You may proceed, Ms. McPherson.
Thank you, my Lord. The accused is charged with counts 1 to 8 that have been of fraud. If we may establish whether or not they need to formally be put to the accused again.
Mr. Magashule, are you acquainted with the contents of counts 1 up to 8, that is the counts of fraud against you? Or do you need
Counts as well as alternatives.
Thank you. Do you need the state to read them out to you here in court?
I fairly understand them and I think I'm okay.
Thank you. And what do you plead to those charges, Mr. Magashule?
From the onset, I pleaded not guilty publicly and formally doing so in court today.
Thank you.